What's going on, YouTube? Today we're going to be making a spaghetti and meatballs. So we're going to be learning how to make fresh meatballs stuffed with cheese, also a homemade tomato sauce, and of course, spaghetti! Yay! Looks so good! We're going to start by making our meatballs. About 330 grams of veal. You can use ground beef if you want, or ground anything. To this, we are going to add salt, pepper, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of dried oregano. We're going to add some panko, and to this, we are going to add 1 egg. We are going to start by cutting the cheese for the meatballs because we're going to be stuffing them with cheese. So we don't need that many. Brick like this, and then we're going to cut this into 12 or 16. So cut the cheese into nice little cheesy blocks. Cheesy! So you're going to need a scale, you need a plate, you're going to need gloves. Gloves on. So now we're going to mix, and it's literally just mix everything together. Okay, so now we're going to weigh out our balls. Take the entire thing, put it on the scale, get the total weight. In this case, this is 375. We're going to divide that by 30. We're going to roll these out into 30-gram balls. So now we have portioned out our meatballs. We are now going to stuff them with the cheese. So we're going to take our meatball, we're going to put our cheese block in, and then we're just going to simply close it up and seal. And then from here, we're going to do a little rolly, and now it's ready to go. Meatballs! So this can be done ahead of time, a few days before, and they could even be frozen. We're going to put these in the fridge so they can chill out for a bit. And now we're going to do our tomato sauce. Let's dice this onion. Take the top off, cut it in half, through the root. We're going to peel the skin, tiny little strips for a dice. Smash. Garlic, smash. Peel the skin. Then we're gonna mince this. Cut it like you're dicing an onion. Diced garlic. Parsley. Pick off the leaves of the parsley. Go up the stem until you get to the floret part. And then you're just gonna simply pull away like that. Okay. You just want the florets. Once your parsley is picked, you're gonna grab it, scrunch it up into a little ball like this, and we're going to hold it. We're going to take our knife, we're going to run our knife through the parsley. Meatballs out of the fridge. We're going to put them onto a tray, lay the parchment down. So we've preheated the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm just going to throw my meatballs in. Woo! Meatballs! Bye-bye! Alright, time to start our tomato sauce. So I got a pan here on medium-high heat. We're going to add our oil. We're going to start cooking our veggies. Onions in first. To be able to hear that sizzle. Gotta hear it. Give this a seasoning. You want a little bit of color on the onions. Make a well. Oil in. Let that cook out. A tablespoon of dried oregano. Add a half a can of tomato paste. We're going to cook out the tomato paste. And now it's time for the tomato sauce. So to this, we're going to add 50 mils of Worcestershire sauce, 50 mils balsamic vinegar. Give that a stir. And we're going to season a little bit of salt one more time. A little bit of pepper. We're going to cover it with a lid and let that go low and slow. Past the water, you always want to add way too much salt. The water has to be salty. Cover the lid, put it on high heat, and let it go. Boiling! Here's a trick with spaghetti. Hold it like a circle, both fingers, and then you twist, and then you drop it in like that. Did you see that? So it's been about 12 minutes. Check the spaghetti! Grab it, eat it. It should have a slight bite to it. That means el dente. Spaghetti! So you want to add a little bit of oil, olive oil, any kind of oil, to the pasta. Give it a little quick massage. This has stopped the spaghetti from sticking to each other. It's been about 30 minutes. We're gonna check our tomato sauce. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's taste. Tastes amazing. A bit more salt. Adjust the seasoning. A little bit of pepper. And this is where we're gonna add our parsley. Parsley! You wanna add fresh parsley at the end so it doesn't overcook. And now our tomato sauce is ready. Meatballs, it's been about 45 minutes. So the cheese definitely leaked out because I used veal instead of straight beef, but this is totally okay. We're gonna put these meatballs onto a plate and let them chill out because there's a lot of fat on them. Okay, time to plate up. Got our spaghetti. If you want to make your spaghetti look nice, this is what you do. So you grab a bunch of spaghetti, just like this, where it's long and strangly, bring it to the plate, set it down, and we're actually gonna start turning the plate and let go of a little bit. Turn the plate, let go of a little bit, and then we're gonna sort of pull the top. So this is actually gonna give the spaghetti height. If you wanna add a little bit more spaghetti, just do the same technique. So you turn the plate, makes the noodles go around. We're gonna add our sauce. Tomato sauce on, right on the top. You can do 2. We're gonna get our meatballs, and you can do the classic 1, 2, 3 combo. Just like that. If you wanted an added kick, you can add cheese. Right now, parsley. Alright, let's try this out. Oh man, tomato sauce is so good. Got our meatballs here, and woo! So good. This is so good. I know I sound sarcastic, but this is so good, okay? Thanks for watching. Please give this recipe a try. It is so easy to make, and you're gonna have most of the ingredients you need during this time of quarantine. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you next time. Bye!